guys, so today I just opened this box of Prism, and it had look for retail exclusive donut circle parallels. Then it had find 1 silver Prism, 2 retail exclusive green pulsar parallels, and find 6 plastic exclusive hyper green and yellow parallels. And I opened it, and these were the base cards. I got Cole Henry, Patrick Bailey, Luke Little, Jared Schuster, Levi Thomas, Taylor Dollard, Millen, Alec, Dane Acker. Then we got Jack, Burl, Zach Veen, Nick Swiney, Aaron, and we got a Gus and Eric Orrs. Those are the base cards I got out of this box. And these were just the regular parallels. A Fireworks Pete Crow Armstrong, a Power Surge Spencer, and then I got another Thunderstruck of LJ Jones III, and I got another Fireworks of Ed Howard, and then these were the other special cards. I got a Prism of Ed Howard of Fireworks, a Prism of Tyler Gentry, a green and yellow parallel of Alaric, a green yellow parallel of Anthony, green yellow parallel of Jake Eder, green yellow parallel of Thunderstruck of Millen, and a green parallel of Mitchell Parker, and then a green and yellow parallel of Nick York, and a green parallel, I really like this one, of Garrett. And then the last card I got out of this box was a Colton Keith yellow and green parallel. And guys, that was the cards I got out of the yellow, and that was the cards I got out of the Prism box. See you guys later.